traffic to your website. Traffic is the cornerstone of any successful online business. Without visitors, even the most well-designed website or innovative product will remain unnoticed. Generating traffic is more than just attracting random users. It's about drawing in the right audience, people who are genuinely interested in what you offer and are likely to engage with your content, subscribe to your mailing list, or make a purchase. A consistent and diverse traffic flow fuels visibility, builds brand credibility, and drives revenue growth. Understanding the importance of traffic is the first step to building a robust online presence. One of the key decisions when driving traffic is choosing between free and paid methods. Free traffic methods, while cost-effective, often require time and effort to execute. These include strategies like search engine optimization, SEO, social media engagement, and content marketing. For instance, by optimizing your website for search engines and creating valuable, shareable content, you can steadily attract visitors without spending money on ads. While free traffic strategies tend to deliver long-term results, they may not produce immediate returns, requiring patience and consistency. In contrast, paid traffic methods provide a faster way to generate visibility. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow businesses to target specific audiences based on demographics, search intent, or online behavior. These campaigns can produce immediate results, making them particularly effective for time-sensitive promotions or product launches. However, paid methods require careful budgeting and ongoing optimization to ensure a positive return on investment. The decision to use free, paid, or a combination of both traffic methods should align with your business goals, resources, and timeline. SEO is a foundational strategy for driving long-term, sustainable traffic to your website. It involves optimizing your site to rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for potential customers to find you. SEO begins with keyword research, which identifies the terms your audience is searching for. By integrating these keywords into your website's content, meta tags and headings, you signal to search engines that your site is relevant to those queries. Off-page SEO, such as building high-quality backlinks from reputable websites, further strengthens your site's authority and improves its ranking. With regular updates and fresh content, SEO remains one of the most cost-effective ways to attract traffic. Social media platforms are another powerful tool for generating traffic. By actively engaging with your audience on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook, you can build a loyal community and drive users to your website. Creating and sharing compelling content such as blog posts, videos, and infographics encourages users to click through to learn more. Social media also allows for direct interaction, where responding to comments and messages can foster trust and brand loyalty. Platforms with features like live streams and stories offer unique opportunities to share updates, promote products, or announce events in a way that feels personal and engaging. Leveraging paid ads on platforms like Google and Facebook is a strategy that offers precision targeting and scalability. Google Ads targets users based on their search queries, ensuring your ads are displayed to those actively seeking products or services like yours. For example, if you run a travel agency, ads targeting keywords like affordable vacation packages or best family-friendly resorts can connect you directly with high-intent customers. Facebook ads, on the other hand, excel at targeting users based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. For instance, a business selling eco-friendly products might target users who have expressed interest in sustainability or environmental causes. Both platforms provide detailed analytics, allowing you to monitor performance and adjust campaigns for maximum efficiency. Influencers and affiliates are also highly effective channels for driving traffic. Partnering with influencers who have an engaged following in your niche enables you to tap into a pre-existing audience. Influencers can promote your product or website through reviews, sponsored posts, or tutorials, generating authentic interest. Similarly, affiliate marketing incentivizes individuals to promote your website by offering them a commission for every sale or lead they generate. These strategies create win-win situations where both parties benefit from the collaboration. Tracking your traffic is essential to understanding what's working and where to improve. Analytics tools like Google Analytics or Ahrefs provide insights into visitor behavior, traffic sources, and conversion rates. By monitoring these metrics, you can identify high-performing channels and allocate resources accordingly. Continuous optimization ensures your efforts remain effective as markets and trends evolve. Driving traffic to your website is an ongoing process that requires a blend of strategies, from SEO and social media to paid ads and influencer partnerships. By staying consistent, monitoring performance, and adapting to audience preferences, you can ensure a steady stream of visitors who are primed to engage with your offerings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Ashman Digital for more tips, insights, and strategies to level up your digital journey. Your support keeps us creating great content just for you.